Hey guys, welcome to my channel, mouth-watering budget meals. For today, I'm cooking this masala chicken. So I've got about 600 grams of chicken, and I'm going to marinate with turmeric, about a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon and a half of turmeric, and some salt, a teaspoon of salt, and then some garam masala, just a teaspoon of garam masala, and some chili powder. I'm just going to mix this and marinate for about an hour. You can marinate for longer if you like, but I'm just going to marinate this for about an hour. Adding oil in the saucepan. So firstly, I'm going to cook my chicken. I'm adding a tablespoon of ginger paste and a tablespoon of garlic paste. I'm going to cook this for about I'm cooking this for about 2 minutes until the ginger and garlic are cooked and the smell is starting to to smell good. So I'm cooking this guy for 2 minutes. Just gonna add a little bit of oil. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of coriander, a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of turmeric, and a tablespoon of garam masala, and paprika, tablespoon of paprika. So now I'm going to cook these spices, guys, until they are nice and fragrant. So I'm cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. The spices, I see the oil is almost gone. I can just add a little bit of oil just to make sure the spices can be cooked well. Guys, the trick with this recipe is you need to cook the spices and make sure the rawness of the spices is gone. And now I'm going to add my tomato puree, about 300 grams tomato puree. Bringing this to boil. Adding a little bit of oil. Guys, now I'm bringing back the fried chicken and just want to cook this into this, mix this into the sauce. Adding some water and simmer. I'm going to simmer this, guys, for about 30 to 40 minutes until the chicken is cooked and it's nice and soft. Just simmer on low heat.